Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I got the second part of the trail ride that I posted yesterday that I'm going to be editing right now again today. So this is part 2 to that video from yesterday. I got some new tires for my wheeler. Super excited. And they're the same tires. I don't know if anybody has seen the review video that I've done on these Quad Boss Sport ATV tires. They're really nice. They got a lot of tread. Hopefully I'm going to be mounting them on my four-wheeler today. The reason I got these, because I am selling that four-wheeler. I don't know if I've mentioned that. I'm selling it. I want to get a Sportsman. So the Outlaw is for sale. I thought that it would sell better with new tires on it because the rear ones are totally shot. So that's kind of the reason I bought these, even though I'm selling it. Hopefully I have a guy coming to buy that tomorrow. And if that happens, I'm going to go hopefully buy a Sportsman. I'm still kind of looking for one. I haven't really found the right deal yet. I really want a yellow one. That's what I have my heart set on. So I'm kind of just going to wait until the right one comes along. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you go hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. That number just keeps going up, so that's awesome, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go give it a big thumbs up if you did. Make sure you go subscribe for weekly videos. And yeah, leave a comment and let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more videos like this one. And let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see vlogs, if you want to see more riding videos. You know, I'd like to know what you guys want to see. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.